viewers, welcome back once again to the new episode of Planted Love. And I want to share you today how to save money from your existing plants or even earn from it if you want to sell the same propagated plants. And what is propagation, by the way? Propagation is a process wherein you will create new plants from the mother plant. So when it is necessary to propagate, there's no specific time to propagate your plants. It depends upon you. If you want your plant to be like short and bushy, then you prune it in order for them to grow more, another new baby. Or if you want to grow longer, then it's up to you. There's no specific time, as I've said. I will share you cutting. Cutting means it is a process of cutting a portion of a stem or a leaf to make new plants. So the plants that we are propagating is this pothos or the money plant. We will just take a stem from this mother plant. Other one here. Also, we will take from here. So this one, the cutting, this is where it grows new babies. Be sure to keep these nodes, so we will cut between here. So below the nodes, like 1 centimeter, because this node is so important. This is where the root will grow. See? This one. So just cut like this and remove more. So we can make a lot of propagation now. So here, let's now submerge the nodes in the water. What I'm doing is I'm arranging them like okay, so at least even if you display, it looks nice. So that's it. We have 2 right now. So this is the first that I propagated, which is already growing healthy. The roots are stabilized and it is ready to be repotted on soil. As you can see, the roots are already long and stabilized. I had waited this for 2 months and I wasn't able to transfer it to the soil because we shifted a house. So as you can see, the roots are very healthy and perfectly and stabilized. So now what we will do, we will plant this grown pothos in another medium, which is the soil. So this soil, I mix it with vegetable skin and just moist the soil. Since this has a very long root we can just cut because it's not necessary. It has a very long. See, we have now one pot of our propagated plant. Moist it once again. We have another one remaining for other pot. That's a very short video for today, and I hope you like it, and we appreciate if you can share this video to help other plant lovers. Thank you for watching, plant lovers, and happy planting!